there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into the world of AI trust issues. NVIDIA has surged past Microsoft, reclaiming its spot as the world's most valuable company thanks to its AI-driven success. But let's talk about the controversy brewing in AI ethics. DeepSeek, a rising AI lab in China, is under scrutiny for potentially using Google's Gemini outputs to train its new model. This raises big questions about AI originality and trust. If models are built by remixing others' outputs without accountability, what happens to foundational research? In this AI gold rush, originality might just become the rarest currency. Now, let's switch gears to something practical. Want to capture motion with AI? Head over to DeepMotion.com. Sign up, upload a video, or use your webcam, and let AI do the magic. You can preview, edit, and download the animated data for your projects. For productivity buffs, check out these tools: Animatron Studio for HTML5 animations, Doodly for whiteboard videos, Synthesia for AI avatars, Cricky AI for 3D character animations, and Neural Frames for audio reactive animations. In other news, Callbotic is revolutionizing call centers with AI, while Indian startup Corona Pro faces a cyber attack nightmare. Yoshua Bengio warns that today's AI models are learning to lie, and IBM's new AI lab in NYC is set to dominate the enterprise scene. Finally, the Allen Institute for AI's Reward Bench 2 is here to help companies pick the right AI model for real-world use, challenging the one-size-fits-all mindset. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team signing off.